the best, fudgiest brownies in one bowl. Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's start. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we'll mix the melted butter, oil, jaggery or gur. The gur makes our brownies super moist and fudgy. 1 cup powdered sugar, mix it all. Now add the vanilla essence and 4 large eggs. You can also use flaxseed powder as a substitute for the eggs. We're going to whisk it until everything is mixed properly. Now using a sieve, we are going to sift the flour and cocoa powder into the wet ingredients. Sifting incorporates air into the mixture. Now mix everything together, making sure there are no lumps left. And you'll have this glossy chocolatey batter. Now we are going to add some roughly chopped chocolate to this batter and mix very lightly. Pour the brownie batter into a pan greased and dusted with flour. Spread it evenly using a spatula and top with more chocolate chunks. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. When you stick a toothpick in the center of your brownie, it should come out with wet brownie crumbs on it. Cut into squares. Look at that. Giant ice cream sandwich.